Welcome to GoRTeX, the high-performance code intelligence engine for AI coding agents. With 694 GitHub stars and 1,800 plus commits, GoRTeX indexes your entire codebase into a knowledge graph and serves it to agents over MCP, HTTP, and a web UI. One graph query replaces a stack of file reads, cutting token usage by up to 50 times. GoRTeX supports 257 languages through tree-sitter AST parsing, from Go and Python to Rust and Java. The engine features over 100 MCP tools for symbol lookup, call chains, blast radius analysis, clone detection, and semantic search. It runs as a single static binary with zero dependencies on macOS, Linux, and Windows. GoRTeX supports 17 AI coding agents out of the box, including Claude Code, Cursor, VS Code Copilot, Cline, and OpenCode. Installation is one command, curl-fssl get.goretex.dev.sh. Start the daemon, track a repository, and your assistant instantly has graph-powered code intelligence. Check out goretex.dev and the GitHub repo to start building.